Speak Daily English. Real English, every day.
Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Speak Daily English. I'm your host, and today we're continuing our Real English Survival Guide with a crucial skill for anyone living in America: opening a bank account. Banking can be intimidating, especially with all the specialized vocabulary. But don't worry. In today's episode, we'll follow Lynn as she sets up her first American bank account and learn all the essential financial terms you'll need to know. Whether you're a student like Lynn or just planning to visit the U.S., understanding banking English will help you manage your money confidently. Let's dive in. It's been 2 weeks since Lynn arrived in America for her studies. She's been keeping her money in cash but realizes this isn't safe or practical. Today, she's visiting First American Bank to open her account.
I hope I brought all the documents they need.
Lynn approaches the reception desk where a friendly staff member greets her.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a bank account. I'm an international student and I just arrived 2 weeks ago.
Absolutely. Please have a seat in our waiting area and one of our personal bankers will assist you shortly.
After a brief wait, Lynn is called to meet with Sarah, a personal banker.
Hello, Lynn. I'm Sarah. I understand you'd like to open an account with us today?
Yes, that's right. I'm studying at State University and I need somewhere safe to keep my money.
Great choice. Let's go over your options. As a student, you might be interested in our student checking account. It has no monthly maintenance fee and comes with a debit card.
What exactly is a checking account?
A checking account is for your everyday expenses. You can deposit money, withdraw cash from ATMs, make purchases with your debit card, and pay bills online.
That sounds perfect. What documents do I need to provide?
You'll need your passport, student visa, I-20 form, university acceptance letter, and a local address. Do you have those with you?
Yes, I brought everything.
Excellent. We also offer savings accounts, which are designed for money you want to set aside. They earn interest over time.
Interest? Can you explain what that means?
Of course. Interest is money the bank pays you for keeping your funds with us. For example, our savings accounts currently offer 0.5% annual percentage yield.
I see. Is there a minimum balance requirement?
For our student accounts, there's no minimum balance requirement. However, you will need to make an initial deposit to activate the account.
How much is the initial deposit?
For student accounts, it's just $25 to get started.
That's reasonable. And are there any fees I should know about?
Good question. While there's no monthly maintenance fee, there are some service fees to be aware of. For example, if you use an ATM that's not part of our network, there's a $2.5 fee per transaction. And if you overdraw your account...
Overdraw? What does that mean?
Overdrawing means spending more money than you have in your account. If that happens, there's a $35 overdraft fee unless you sign up for overdraft protection.
I definitely want to avoid that. How does overdraft protection work?
It links your checking account to either a savings account or a line of credit. If you don't have enough in checking, we automatically transfer funds to cover the transaction.
Sarah continues explaining various banking features while helping Lynn complete the application.
Now, let's set up your online banking. This will allow you to check your balance, transfer funds, and pay bills from your computer or smartphone.
That sounds very convenient.
It is. You'll receive your account number today, and your debit card will arrive by mail within 7 to 10 business days. The PIN, personal identification number, will come separately for security reasons.
What about if I need to send money back home to Vietnam?
For international wire transfers, you can use our online banking platform or visit a branch. There is a fee for international transfers, typically around $45.
That's good to know. And if my parents want to send me money?
They can make an international wire transfer to your account using your account number and our bank's routing number, which I'll provide you.
After completing the paperwork and making her initial deposit, Lynn's account is officially open.
Congratulations, Lynn. Your checking account is now active. Here's your welcome packet with all your account information. Do you have any other questions?
Not right now. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Remember, you can always call our customer service line or visit any branch if you have questions. We're here to help you succeed financially during your time in the U.S.
Great job following along. Now let's review some of the important banking terms we heard in Lynn's conversation. Checking account. This is an everyday account used for regular expenses, bill payments, and purchases. Unlike savings accounts, checking accounts typically don't earn much interest, but offer easy access to your money. For example, I use my checking account to pay for groceries and monthly bills. Savings account. An account designed for storing money you don't need immediately. It typically earns interest, helping your money grow over time. For example, I'm putting $100 in my savings account each month for emergencies. Debit card. A card linked to your checking account that allows you to make purchases or withdraw cash. Unlike credit cards, debit cards use money you already have. For example, I prefer using my debit card for shopping because it helps me stick to my budget. ATM, automated teller machine. A self-service machine that allows you to withdraw cash, check your balance, or make deposits without visiting a bank teller. For example, I need to stop by an ATM to withdraw some cash before dinner. Interest. Money the bank pays you for keeping your funds with them, usually expressed as an annual percentage yield, APY. For example, my savings account earns 0.5% interest annually. Minimum balance. The lowest amount of money you must maintain in an account to avoid fees or qualify for certain benefits. For example, this premium account requires a $1,500 minimum balance to waive the monthly fee. Overdraft. When you spend more money than you have in your account, resulting in a negative balance. For example, I accidentally overdrew my account and had to pay a fee. Wire transfer, an electronic transfer of funds, often used for sending money internationally or when large amounts need to be moved quickly. For example, my parents sent me tuition money via wire transfer from Vietnam. Routing number, a 9-digit code that identifies your bank in the U.S. banking system, used for direct deposits and transfers. For example, to set up direct deposit for my paycheck, I needed both my account number and the bank's routing number. Managing your finances is an essential life skill, especially when living in a new country. Today, we've learned how to open a bank account and mastered important financial vocabulary that will help you handle your money matters in English. Remember, every bank offers different products and services, so it's always good to research and compare options before making a decision. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Bank representatives are there to help you understand your choices. Did you find this episode helpful? What other financial situations would you like us to cover in future videos? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical English lessons. Next week, we'll follow Lynn as she navigates the American healthcare system, another crucial skill for international students and visitors. Until then, keep practicing your English every day. Thank you for watching Speak Daily English. See you in our next adventure.